Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a giveaway. I'm going to show you exactly how to enter into the giveaway, show you what the prize is, and wish everybody good luck. That's right here, right now on Ham Radio for Non-Techies. Welcome back, guys. I appreciate you coming out. This is Ham Radio for Non-Techies, where we try to simplify the ham radio hobby by getting you to study, pass, and get on the air as quickly as possible without any bad habits. So I have passed the 3,000 subscriber mark. Might not be much to people out there who've been doing channels for a while, but for the amount of effort I've been putting into this and, just the dedication I've been trying to give to you guys with this new channel, I got there pretty quick, and I'm very happy for that. I really do appreciate every single sub that I've got on my channel. I appreciate you guys watching my stuff. I appreciate the comments, the interaction, and just the welcoming into this hobby. So I decided I want to do a giveaway, and I want to do something kind of cool. I mean, I'm not going to be doing like a DX10, obviously, but I want to do something cool. And so I have a prize here I want to give away. So what we're going to be giving away is the Packtenna 9-to-1 mini random wire antenna. And I bought this. This was not given to me or donated or any way, shape, or form. I actually bought this. And I also am including on this thing, there's little places to put banana clips. And when you buy the antenna, it does not come with these. I've got all three of them in here for the counterpoise and the two grounds. So if you get this antenna, you'll have those there already installed. All you got to do is get your own crimpers, put your wires in, and do whatever you want with it. But you'll get this exact antenna, and that's going to be the prize. This is me giving back. I bought it. It was one of my very first antennas. I used it maybe once, probably twice. I probably used it twice. And good antenna, I just don't use it. I have so many other antennas I'm using right now. And if you know anything about Packtenna, these things sell out quick. If you go on their website right now, these are out of, they're back ordered. So if you want to win this, you'll be able to do that. So anyway, let's pop over to my desktop and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So down below in the links, you're going to see a link to the Discord server for the Toads Discord. Click on that link, join the Toads Discord. That's where all the hams hang out. It's where all the ham YouTubers have accounts on there. We all sit there and we talk. We help each other out. It's a very, very well-structured community. And we joke and play around sometimes, but a lot of times there's a lot of good information there. So you're going to go to the Toads Discord. You're going to click on over here on the left side where it says giveaways. You'll scroll down till you see my little giveaway bot right here. When you see that, all you got to do is click on that little tiny party hat. And when you click on that, that's going to enter you into the contest. So click on that, enter the contest, and on Wednesday at 5 p.m., when the contest ends, we're going to go live, and we'll announce the winner. And if you are the winner, I will ship this thing out to you and get it over to you and go from there. So it's pretty simple. But like I said, I wanted to give back to the community a little bit. You guys have been so gracious to me. I want to try to help out a little bit. And I really want this to go to someone who's going to use it. If you're really going to use this antenna and you think you can have a good time with it, then, please feel free to enter the contest. You will need to contact me, or I'll try to contact the winner afterwards, and I will get your shipping information, and I will ship this thing out priority mail if you're in the continental United States. And I really want to try to keep it in the continental United States. So if you're outside the U.S., I don't know. I guess you can enter. I'll just have to deal with the shipping, whatever happens with that. But yeah, I want to do a giveaway. That's my giveaway prize. I hope everybody here has good luck, and I wish you the best of luck to win. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday, October 27th, at probably about 4:45-ish. I'll do a YouTube live a little bit early. And we'll just sit there and watch and see who wins, and congratulate the winner and go from there. I know we got there's a whole lineup of shows that come out on Wednesday night, so I don't want to interfere with that. So that's why I'm starting up a little bit early to get myself on there and get it rolling. So hope to see you guys there. Good luck to the winner. This is Ham Radio for Non-Techies. Have a great day, and we are clear.